No, it's fine.
No, she was about to
Okay, if you lean on me, then it makes this bumpy and jerky, so...
She doesn't want to do it. Paper. Don't worry.
No, it's okay. Okay, so take a piece of paper and put it to where he has to crawl for it. Okay, he can roll back over by himself. And
I know, but it takes too long.
should have thought of paper before. Because he likes paper. Yeah, go get it, Harley. Go get it. Okay, put the paper closer to him so he knows it's attainable. Okay, you have to put it a little bit farther. It's got to be where he has to crawl for it. Crawl, Harley, you can do it.
Do it for the lady. It's really
Honey?
He's got nothing to kick off
Why don't you go brush your teeth?
Come on, Harley, do it for the ladies.
There he goes.
There you go. Oh, no, he doesn't.
Nope, that's how he's getting around right now. Okay, go stand over by him because you want to make sure he doesn't roll off the bed when he rolls back over. Gotta have his paper.
But how do we get the